Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, my name Iwanuddin. I am from PBIB English Department, Kuningan University, and in this video, this is a video education education about intensive reading, and this video is a segment for short semester of technology enhanced language learning. And according the instruction, uh, I make the presentation or the material by using Canva application. Okay, it is from Canva application. Okay, this is I choose the intensive reading. So let's start the material. The first slide is definition of intensive reading. Intensive reading is a way of learning student in reading a book or article in depth to find the title of the reading. Okay, the in by using intensive reading, when we read the book, of course we can now how to read English text, and we can now mind idea, we can find supporting idea, and we can finding, or we can now 5W1 each, like what, when, where, why, who, and how. And also we can finding, and we can make the conclusion from the book or from the text. Okay, next. The next slide is about intensive reading goals. I make three goals from intensive reading. The first one is get information from reading text. Of course, based what I say before, if we do intensive reading, if we read book by using intensive reading, we of course we can get information from reading text like before. 5W1 each, main ideas, supporting ideas, and who the authors, and what the title of the books. And second, a means of choosing one of several main ideas. By using intensive reading, we can finding the main ideas from reference, for reference for our what that our article, our essay development, our what that yeah our make the article. And the goals of intensive reading is we can get new vocabulary, of course. By using intensive reading, we can finding the new vocabulary, and we can get the new vocabulary. Okay, next. The next slide is about benefits intensive reading. Okay, there are the third benefits from more benefits in intensive reading. The first one is readers can understand the content of the text well. Of course, by using intensive reading, when we do intensive reading, we can understand the main point, the content of the text well, and we can understand the all content books, the all main point books that well. And the second, readers can know the background of writing the text. Of course, readers and we can know the backgrounds of the books, the background of the what the of the authors, and we can know the backgrounds of of the problem that in the text or in the books. And the third, readers can have a longer memory related to the content of the text. Of course, in intensive reading, we have or we must read uh, read in deep, and then we can have longer memory relate to the content of the text. Okay, next it is the part of intensive reading, or uh, the ways of intensive reading. And in the intensive reading, we can finding the title and authors. The first thing we should look for in intensive reading is the title of the text and the authors and of course we can know what the title, and we can know who the authors from the intensive reading. And the second is main idea. Based the definition, the main idea is the main point or subject matter that underlies uh, the formation of a paragraph, usually at the beginning of the paragraph. The beginning, when we start uh, read the books, the first we can find the main idea from the book. And the third is supporting idea. Okay, by using intensive reading, we can get or we can find the supporting idea. Supporting idea is an additional idea to add information and reinforce the opinion of a paragraph. And the last, of course, we can get and we can make a conclusion. Conclusion is ideas reached at the end of the story that cover the main points of the text. Okay, this is a part of intensive reading, or this is the ways when we do the intensive reading. Okay, this is the conclusion uh, from my uh, presentation, or from my material. Intensive reading ability is an ability to understand in detail the content of the reading completely, accurately, based on a fact. Intensive reading also has concept, opinion, and ideas in finding information through the text read. Okay, maybe it is my presentation, and this is the short presentation. Thank you, and I'm sorry if there are some wrong from me, and thank you for watching. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.